Meaning of electric chair.
Electric chair.
Electric chair.
Electric chair.
Electric chair. The electric chair is a device used for capital punishment by electrocution. It works by delivering a high-voltage electric shock to the individual's body to cause immediate and severe damage to the vital organs, resulting in death. The voltage and duration of the shock are typically enough to cause the heart to stop beating, leading to cardiac arrest and ultimately death. The use of the electric chair as a form of execution has been controversial throughout history, with many arguing that it constitutes cruel and unusual punishment.